Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a gaming mouse pad that you can use on your desk, your table. This is actually really useful in those scenarios. So the one that we got right here basically looks like this in terms of the packaging. So we do get a very nice bag to actually put it back together and keep it all organized when you guys are not using it, which is super nice. But let's take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let's open it up. So once we take it out, this is basically what it looks like. So here's the front side, and here is the back side. They definitely have all those like anti-slip material in the back to prevent it from like shifting or moving around. The cool thing about the material that they use for the actual product itself is the fact that it is waterproof. So if you guys do accidentally like spill water on this, you should be fine and you don't have to worry about it. And if you guys look at the corners on the side right here, the way how they made the product itself, they stitched it. And you guys are wondering what are the benefits of doing that, you refer to this image right here. But I definitely love the overall material of the actual product itself. When you guys feel it, it feels really, really nice. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me actually do a quick test to show you guys what actually works and how well it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so once we put out the actual gaming mouse pad right here, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it is a extra large gaming mouse pad. You can see how big it is. It can't even fit my little table or this desk that I have right here. So if you guys do plan on getting this product in particular, you do want to make sure you guys get like a big desk. Because if you guys don't have a big desk, you guys can see that this part right here, it actually sags out a little bit on the sides. Same thing for this side as well, because it's too big. So you definitely want to do your own measurement to check to see if this is right for you guys first. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not it's actually waterproof. So I got some water right here that I'm just going to pour on here. Alright, so you can see the product itself is pretty waterproof. It kind of submerged a little bit, but you can definitely see that water doesn't really stick on as much as typical fabrics or typical gaming mouse pad. So what I want to do right now is to get like a piece of paper and wipe it off. Alright, so let's wipe it off. So when you guys feel on here, it definitely still is wet because the product itself has water on here, but it is waterproof. You can see how it just comes off really easily. It didn't fully like submerge into the product itself. Even though there is some water right here, you can see, but it can dry really fast and the water will go away really easily. So I'm just gonna let this air dry first so it can dry up. And welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the actual product itself. You can definitely see that actually works pretty well. But you definitely see from the test itself, it is also waterproof. So if you guys do accidentally spill water in it, you don't have to worry about it. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do unboxing and testing of the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So to be honest, I definitely have to say that this product in particular is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for like any kind of like gaming mouse pad, RGB gaming mouse pad to actually give you guys a better experience for using like a keyboard or mouse when you guys are playing your games on your computer, your laptop. Getting any kind of like mouse pad or mouse mat is super worth it, and I do highly recommend getting one. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.